Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be unboxing for you the Trader Joe's 12 Days of Beauty, a curated beauty collection advent calendar. This is a very affordable advent calendar. It retails for $19.99, and on the back here it tells you everything that is inside. I picked this up mid-December at my local Trader Joe's and they still had plenty of left, so go check it out if you haven't already. They actually have a ton of beauty products. I did a little mini vlog if you wanted to check that out of a lot of the beauty products at Trader Joe's. They are very affordable, very simple, but effective. I was pleasantly surprised by the advent calendar last year, so I figured I would try it out again. So let's go ahead and open this up. This is a no frills advent calendar. It just has the little tear open doors. Day one is on the bottom right here. Day one, we have the Trader Joe's Brazil Nut Hair Mask made with shea butter. It's a little foil pack, 0.5 ounce. Directions for deep conditioning: use after shampooing. Leave on wet hair 10 minutes to allow the mask to condition and soften your hair. Okay. Brazil Nut. I have a feeling this will smell like Sol de Janeiro Boom Boom Cream. A lot of the beauty products that were in last year's advent calendar, unfortunately, I don't think they sell alone. Like, I don't think they sell in their store for some reason. So we'll see if these are available. Day two is right here. Two, we have, oh, shave cream. I think this is new. This is the Trader Joe's Neroli Bamboo Shave Cream. Okay, this is going in my husband's Christmas stocking this year. Directions: wet skin with warm water, apply even layer onto skin, shave, rinsing razor frequently, rinse thoroughly with warm water, pat dry. Okay, I have to open this up and see. It looks like your typical white shaving cream. It has a very clean, fresh barbershop scent. Okay, day three is right here. Day three is a body butter. This is the Trader Joe's Vitamin C Firming Body Butter made with glycolic acid, a bright clementine scent. Oh, I love that. I love citrus scents, clementine, orange. Grapefruit is my favorite. Okay, I just took the foil off all the way because I'll probably go ahead and pack this in my travel bag. But this is the lotion. It's very thick. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. It smells like ices, like an orange Italian ice. This smells delicious. Okay, I love this. Day four is up here. Okay, day four is the Trader Joe's Gingerbread Cookie Moisturizing Lip Balm. Okay, this is it. It's like a orangey beige color. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. I just want to eat it. Okay, yum, I love this. This scent reminds me of the Glossier cookie butter. It was such a delicious scent. I got one and then it was like a limited edition scent. So it sold out, but then they brought it back and I immediately bought two more and now it's at Sephora. So stock up if you can, but it's very similar to this scent. Day five. Oh, day five is cake batter scented body butter. I love the little tub. Directions: apply liberally to hands and body. This is a full 1 ounce tub, so it's still a safe travel size. Oh my gosh, this smells like a can of whipped cream frosting, like vanilla frosting. Wow. My kids and I do gingerbread houses every year and I get a tub of frosting and this literally smells like the cake batter cookie, like cake vanilla frosting. It smells so good. And it looks like it too in the tub. Okay, day six is in here. Oh, perfect. Day six is the Daily Facial Sunscreen with SPF 40. I vaguely remember that last year's advent calendar also included a sunscreen. I don't know if I went through it. Okay, so it's like, what is that, dimethicone? Like a silicone based sunscreen. So here's a sunscreen, ingredients and drug facts. The second ingredient is dimethicone. That's not my favorite type of sunscreen. I don't really like that. So I think that's why I don't remember this. But if you like that, if you like silicone based sunscreens, then you might like this. I don't really like this type of sunscreen. Okay, day seven is up here. And we have a little, is this a lip scrub? Day seven is the Brown Sugar Carob Lip Scrub. I think this is what they had last year. Brown sugar, and then carob is, you know, I've never cooked with carob, but I've heard of it used in place of chocolate. It smells like chocolate, I guess. This does smell like chocolate. It looks really dry. It's very hard. Like, you really need to get in here. Okay. Yep, it's a lip scrub. It works. I'm exfoliating my lips right now. It's very gritty and it tastes like sugar. Day 8 is right here. We have, ooh, bath bomb. Okay, this is a yuzu bath fizzer. Yuzu is a citrus fruit. I think it originated in Japan. It's like very citrusy, orangey, grapefruit, clementine type scent, and bath fizzer. So kind of like a bath bomb. I think you might be able to use this as a shower fizz also. I will definitely use this. Day 9 is down here. Day 9 we have, ooh, lavender bath salts. This looks so pretty. Lavender bath salts, you have 2.5 ounce. Directions: sprinkle bath salts into a warm bath, allow salts to dissolve, then soak in the tub for about 20 minutes. Rinse or shower after with fresh water if you wish. I love that you can see these huge granules of salt, and then you can see the little lavender. Very pretty. Day 10 is down here. Day 10. We have, ooh, a hand cream. Day 10 is the Sweet Nectarine Ultra Moisturizing Hand Cream. I love the size. I love the old-fashioned toothpaste tube. And it looks like a toothpaste. It's a white creamy lotion. It smells like fresh peaches. It's very, very hydrating. This reminds me of the L'Occitane hand creams. And then almost to the end, day 11 is up here. We have, oh, this is so cute. Day 11 is an exfoliating sugar scrub cube. I remember using the one last year and it's just the cutest little sugar scrub cube. It just dissolves as you use it. And I might have gotten a couple uses out of it, like 2 showers worth of scrubbing. And then the 12th and final day is down here. For day 12, we have the Rice Polish Cleanser Powder. Oh, one of my favorite skincare brands is Tatcha, and one of my favorite products from them is their rice wash. Rice water just has a lot of great skincare elements. So this is the Rice Polish Cleanser. Okay, there's no instructions. I'm gonna assume you emulsify this, a little bit of the powder with water, and then use it to wash your face. So, okay, I'll try it out. I think they might sell this. That is everything that is inside the Trader Joe's 12 Days of Beauty Advent Calendar. I think $19.99 is a great price for this beauty advent calendar. You get a bunch of different samples to try out. You get some very generously sized 1 ounce samples to give you an idea of how they perform. Hopefully they sell these products in store, because I recall from last year there were some like peppermint scented beauty products that I would have wanted to buy the full size, but they actually didn't sell it. It just was in the advent calendar, which I didn't really understand because I thought you'd want to try it out and then buy the full size. So hopefully they learned their lesson. But I really enjoyed this. I think this is a great gift also. But let me know what you guys think. Have you ever gotten any of the Trader Joe's advent calendars? I'm a huge fan of everything in Trader Joe's. I love all their stuff. And I was actually looking for the dog and cat and chocolate advent calendars, but those all sold out from my store, unfortunately. But they had a bunch of these still available. So let me know your thoughts on the Trader Joe's advent calendar if you plan on picking this up or any of their beauty products. I hope you guys enjoyed this advent calendar unboxing. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.